for this lesson, I'm going to be demonstrating how to do accents and add more dynamic to your tongue drum playing. And I will be using my Grace B minor Kosmosky tongue drum. And you can follow along in whatever scale you have or type of tongue drum you have. This exercise can be translated to several types of tongue drums. So the basic patterns you're just going to follow along with. So adding dynamic or accents to your playing really helps kind of give more fluidity and movement and just makes everything sound a little more interesting. So instead of just playing notes the same loudness or hitting the mallets at the same height, it sounds really nice for certain songs to just keep everything the same. But when you add accents or dynamics to it, you can get a sound that's a little more interesting. So instead of just like playing with hitting the notes at the same height and moving the stick all together at the same time, accents are going to add a little bit more movement. So that's an example of how I'm playing and just adding a little bit of accents and hitting some notes a little louder than others or bringing my stick up a little higher. So to practice accents just on your own without using a tongue drum first, think about how you're holding your sticks, and when you're hitting an accent, you're going from high to low. So you're doing a higher hit, that's going to be a louder sound, and a lower hit, that's going to be a softer sound. So let's give it a try. For right hand, high, low, high, low. Accents. You're accenting one higher than the other. And for the left hand, the same thing. High, low, high, low. And that's something you can practice just on your own with sticks or mallets, even if you don't have a tongue drum, just to get a feeling for the movement of your wrists and how high or low you're going to be bringing the mallet. Then to translate onto the tongue drum, try the same thing. So high, low, high, low. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. And that's basically a really great intro to doing accents, just practicing that. High, low, high, low. And when you get comfortable doing that, try to speed it up a little more. Okay, so that's an intro to accents.